Hey YouTube, Tube Guy here tonight with a review / overview of just all the tools and stuff on the Victorinox SwissChamp Plus. So first we can go over the features, it's only a couple specs. It's 3.5 inches long, and it's just about the normal size as a normal Swiss Army knife with a bunch of stuff on it. So, first we can have an overview of the tools. First we have a small pin blade. Second, a large main blade, standard Victorinox blade, Officer Suisse. And then here we have the file with saw, or metal file. You can like saw through nails and file down wood. I guess the wood saw, this works very well, much better than any other one I've ever used. Then the next tool we have is the hook, scaler, and ruler. I don't know if you can see that. And then hook dislodger, fish scaler. Then we move on to the scissors, which might be a little bit bigger than normal Swiss Army knife scissors, and I think these are a little bit better than any of the others on any of my other Swiss Army knives. A Phillips head screwdriver with a half stop, and then it locks into place. Not really locks, I mean it's still a slip joint, but it stays in place a lot stronger than all the other tools. Here is a magnifying glass that works well. You can start fires with it, even though I'd prefer the one on my compass, but it does work. So, a magnifying glass. Can opener with like 3mm flathead screwdriver. Bottle opener with half stop. 6mm flathead screwdriver and wire stripper. A corkscrew with built-in eyeglasses screw, which works well, having used it before. And in here, right in here, is a secret thing that not many people know about it. Right here, under your corkscrew, on some models, I'm not sure all of them do, but there is a straight pin, and it just goes in this little secret hole. Not a whole lot of people know about that. So then that's that. A chisel, which works. I've used it. Small flathead screwdriver. The multi-purpose hook, which is like a parcel hook, I think, so that like going to the store, you can carry all those bags that cut into your hands. Reamer with sewing eye. And then we move on to the tools and the handles. There's only a couple. Tweezers, useful for splinters. Toothpick, I use the toothpicks on my Swiss Army knives. I wrap a paper towel or something around them and clean them out. It's very useful. And then this one saved me on an orienteering outing with this pin. We dropped our pin while orienteering and almost lost because we didn't have any way to write down. So we were orienteering and there was a course, and then every time you got to a checkpoint there was a number and you had to write it down. So yeah. So this is one of my favorite knives. These cost about $40. That's like half the SwissChamp. The SwissChamp just has pliers. That's the only extra thing, and the pliers are pretty tiny and you don't really need them. One problem I do have with it is maybe it's a little bit wide to be comfortable. I mean, you can still use it. You can get a good grip on it, but it's just a little bit wide. They do make a model called the SwissChamp, which is like a SwissChamp, and it locks, and it's bigger. I got this one for free, this nylon sheath for it, just a little, I like to keep it in here. Just slide it in. See, it's a little dirty. Yeah, but here it is compared in size to a Endura 3. Length, width, Big difference. This knife is kind of hard to carry with you for your EDC. I use it mostly on outdoor things. My EDC is a Tinker